Corporations impact us all. For decades, I've tried regulating them. Now I'm shaping them from the inside as a shareholder. Every year, shareholders file proposals on the issues like climate change, diversity, inequality, and how corporations are run. Those proposals get voted on at annual shareholder meetings. 95% of retail shareholders don't vote their proxies. Mutual funds generally vote with corporate management. Yet I've been getting half of my proposals passed, and I file more proposals than just about anyone. In 3 lectures, you'll learn the history of shareholder activism, addressing issues from apartheid in South Africa to giving women and minorities seats on the board. Then in the last 9 sessions, for those of you who continue, we'll focus on your issues. Together, we'll make our world a better place by influencing how corporations operate.